Hey everyone, this is Paul with Auto Nucleus, and the full self-driving button is live. I'm here with 2021.32.22. So let's go ahead and flip over to the autopilot screen. And there it is, the request full self-driving button. Let's go ahead and do this live together. Alright, let's read the screen. So it says, thank you for your interest in limited access, full self-driving beta. Once you accept the terms below, the Tesla team will analyze your vehicle driving data and safety score to determine eligibility. You can view your safety score from the Tesla app at any time, version 4.1.0 or newer. If eligible, you will receive software update as part of the limited early access. So they have a few little check boxes. I consent to the collection and review of my ongoing VIN associated vehicle driving. So similar to what Elon has said, it's going to track your driving based off its insurance safety software. I understand that when using FSD beta, I am responsible for remaining alert with my hands on the wheel and must be prepared to take over at any time. Full self-driving beta does not make my car autonomous. So here's a disclaimer just saying that this is still beta software, which those who are not familiar with software development means that this is not production data. This is not meaning that it's fully fleshed out and finished. That means they need help developing it, and that I am consenting to saying I acknowledge it's not fully fleshed out and finished, and that I'm willing to help contribute to its completion. So that's basically what a beta program typically means. And then this last one, I understand that full self-driving beta can be revoked at any time. So I assume there's their disclaimer saying if I, for whatever reason, prove to be an unsafe driver in the future or act recklessly and lack the ability to demonstrate that I'm willing to take over in any situation at any time, that they'll revoke it and take it away. So let's go ahead and click accept. All right. So it says you are now enrolled in full self-driving beta queue. So over the course of the next week, I imagine my driving habits will be analyzed and viewed from their insurance platform, and hopefully we'll be able to see progression towards actually receiving full access. So I'll try and keep everyone up to date. Hopefully once I start driving around, I can gather some data on how they're actually tracking me, what they're considering safe and unsafe. So please like and subscribe, and make sure you stay tuned for more videos regarding full self-driving beta, the experience there. Thanks everyone, this is Paul again with Auto Nucleus, signing off.